program I took part in was it started with a 6-week course offered by Georgia Tech's Modern Language Department called the LBAT. This was in 3 different cities inside in Germany, Weimar, Düsseldorf, and Berlin.
When I came to Georgia Tech, I decided that I would love to use the German skills that I had learned previously and make the most of that in my career choices as well as study abroad options.
The main differences between studying in Germany and studying at Georgia Tech is the initial struggle to conquer the language barrier. Also, it's not as structured in Germany as it is in Georgia Tech. It leaves a lot of responsibility to you as the student.
In Germany, the university was done very differently from what I'm used to here at Georgia Tech. And it just allows me to approach an academic situation now in 2 different ways.
I worked with Siemens Quality Engineering and Control in Munich. And I worked as an assistant to my boss on designing, building, and testing a new testing facility for the products that come through there.
My internship took place at Lufthansa Technik. This is the engineering division of Germany's #1 airline, and we were in charge of a lot of the overhauls, a lot of the engine repairs. My division was personally responsible for developing a lot of the new engine repair parts.
I worked for the research development team inside power generation in their ceramics department. I worked on numerous projects for the 6 months that I was there, mainly preparing samples and carrying out tests of new materials that Siemens was thinking about using.
The value of my internship, I would have to say, is priceless. One of the biggest things I got out of it was just an actual understanding of what goes on in my field, my chosen field of study.
I think one of the most important influences this experience has given me is an understanding of people from different cultures. It seems overwhelming at first, but if you take it one step at a time and don't look at the whole year and think, oh my goodness, how am I accomplish this entire year of study? If you take it one step at a time, it doesn't seem as insurmountable a task.
Experiences abroad have really opened a lot of doors for me. It puts me a step above competition, but it also has opened my mind to looking at different opportunities, looking at different countries and different areas of work, not just in my field, not just in mechanical engineering, but doing mechanical engineering alongside other things.
It helped me really define which direction I want to take my career and how I want to progress from the school into the future.
They have opened my mind to looking at a lot of different areas and different countries and different companies for which I want to work for. It has also allowed me to be a step above the other people that are interviewing.
Well, I definitely want to take the skills that I've learned through this program, through my international experience. I've really enjoyed the chance to travel abroad and to work in different countries and with international companies.
And after this program, I've definitely felt the need to find a company that has a very global orientation about it.
And what I would like to do is work for an international company, a company that allows me to work in different countries, to travel, and to work on projects in different areas and using my language skills alongside my technical skills. Some of the most rewarding aspects of it is the richness of the experience that you get from it, the cultural experience. You're not just learning things from a book, you're not just learning what's shown in video or your teacher tells you, you're living and breathing the environment.
When I returned back from the program, I had a lot more confidence in myself, both in social settings and in technical settings. I had a lot more confidence in my ability as an engineer and my ability to take on new challenges and to overcome these challenges, things I didn't think I was capable of doing.
You gain professional experience, you gain international experience, you gain language experience, you gain cultural experience, but then also you gain a lot of things personally. You come back a stronger person, you come back more confident, you come back being able to approach life from different perspectives. Your horizons are broader, your influences are very different and very unique.
I had to really work hard, and it was a challenge, but I think that really brought out the best of me, which led to some of the biggest rewards of the program. I just feel like I'm much more confident and that I can really handle myself in a lot of situations and adapt very well.
Most of my friends are foreigners from these experiences. You're put into an environment and a challenge, and they're facing the same challenge, and through that you build a bond with these people that will last a lifetime.